Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Very happy to tell you one information, dear students. Today, for the mathematics paper for 10th class, conducted in Telangana, my importance given yesterday came 56 marks out of 60. That is very happy news. And here, again, I want to share with you all the science questions also for the tomorrow examination in Telangana going to be conducted. And lesson wise, I am giving here the list of questions importance expected by me. Note down. Reflection of light at curved surfaces. In that, distinguish between convex and concave mirrors. Next, distinguish between real and virtual images. Next, problems on f is equal to r by 2 and mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, magnification, finding the characteristics of the image by applying sign convention, uses of concave and convex mirrors, making of solar cooker, ray diagrams for concave mirror. Okay, next, chemical equations. In that lesson, why should be a chemical equation balanced? Next, balancing given equations. That is over. Next, third lesson, acids, bases and salts. In this activity to show that whether all compounds containing hydrogen are acids or not. Next, pH scale and its applications. Next, chloroalkali process. Next, preparation and uses of bleaching powder, washing soda, baking powder, plaster of Paris, gypsum. Next, show that acids produce hydrogen gas when react with metals. And next, neutralization reaction. The lesson is over. Also, problem on pH scale. Next, diffraction of light at curved surfaces. Experiment to find focal length of a lens. Distinguish between concave and convex lens. Problem on lens formula. Next, human eye and colorful world. Defects of myopia, hypermetropia with corrections. Derive for refractive index of a prism. Structure of human eye. Next, structure of atom. Electronic configuration rules and writing. Shapes of SPDF orbitals. Bohr's model of hydrogen atom with limitations. Next lesson, classification of elements, periodic table. Features of modern periodic table. SPDF blocks. Variation of periodic properties in group and period with respect to the periodic properties. And next, factors affecting electron affinity. Next, electric current. Distinguish between EMF and PD. Kirchhoff's laws with examples. Derive R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Ohm's law experiment verification with problems. And Ohm's law with examples. Factors affecting resistance. And next, principles of metallurgy. In that lesson, distinguish between calcination and roasting, and also experiment to prove that air and water required for corrosion of metals. Next, in biology, in nutrition lesson, experiment to test starch in leaves. Next, experiment to prove that oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Next, structure of chloroplast. Next, distinguish between autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Next, nutrition deficiency diseases. Next, light reactions steps. Next, digestion of food in stomach. Respiration, distinguish between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Distinguish between photosynthesis and respiration. Experiment to prove that carbon dioxide is released during respiration. Also, experiment to prove that heat is released during respiration. Next, transportation lesson. Distinguish between veins and arteries. Next, internal structure of human heart with a diagram. Next, blood pressure and its measurement. And in excretion lesson, label diagram of LS of kidney, structure of nephron with diagram, features of kidney. That's it. All the best for all the students. May God bless you. For any doubts and for any suggestions, counseling, if you are tensed, if you are depressed, don't worry, consult me. I am here, no fear.